Om Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Jai Shri Krishna.
Welcome to the Shri Krishna Astrology Advices channel. Our motive is your success. We pray to God that the grace of God be with you forever. Please note that the horoscope prediction is based on Hindu Vedic astrology. In this horoscope video, you will know about this month, business, job, marital life, children, love, education, and health. You will know this month's remedies and dates where you need to be careful. Let's know about the planets transit in this month. Lord Sun. In the beginning of this month, Lord Sun will transit in Pisces zodiac sign. On 14 April, Lord Sun will enter in the Aries zodiac sign. Lord Mars. In the beginning of this month, Lord Mars will transit in Taurus zodiac sign. On 14 April, Lord Mars will enter in the Gemini zodiac sign. Lord Mercury. In the beginning of this month, Lord Mercury will transit in Pisces zodiac sign. On 6 April, Lord Mercury will go Astharavastha. On 16 April, Lord Mercury will enter in the Aries zodiac sign. 30 April, Lord Mercury will rise. Lord Jupiter. In the beginning of this month, Lord Jupiter will transit in Capricorn zodiac sign. On 5 April, Lord Jupiter will enter in the Aquarius zodiac sign. Lord Venus. In the beginning of this month, Lord Venus will transit in Pisces zodiac sign. On 10 April, Lord Venus will enter in the Aries zodiac sign. 19 April, Lord Venus will rise. Lord Saturn. In this month, Lord Saturn will transit in Capricorn zodiac sign. Lord Rahu. In this month, Lord Rahu will transit in Taurus zodiac sign. Lord Ketu. In this month, Lord Ketu will transit in Scorpio zodiac sign. Please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to receive notification of upcoming videos. Please like our video. Please share our video with others. Thanks. Cancer horoscope of April 2021. For the business. The business professionals will have a strong hold on their product and win their clients with their new techniques and ideas. Those who are working in fields related to agriculture, coal or mining, petroleum, real estate, tours and traveling will have a favorable month with loads of things to do on your platter. The economic life will be balanced during this period. The business professionals and those who are in a partnership or joint venture will have favorable time. The time is favorable if you are planning to make any long-term investments. Also, investing in agricultural land will also be fruitful. You will have financial abundance during this month and your day-to-day income expenditure will be in a smooth cycle. For the job. This month will prove to be something new for you. You will have a commanding position in your existing profile. Those who are planning to switch jobs should apply during this period. Also, natives searching for a job will get desired proposals. This month will be a favorable time for those working in MNCs or having a business association with the overseas clients. This month, your financial goals will be fulfilled, your income flow will be good and you will move towards the achievement of your wishes and desires. Marital life and children. The family time will be cheerful, you will share a blissful relationship with your family members, the married couples will be submerged into the ocean of love. Your 7th house Lord Saturn is in Capricorn itself, you will be too deeply involved in your spouse, you may go out on a short trip with your family or to a religious place with your parents, you may little worry about your children. Cancer natives, women who are pregnant will require special care. Lovers. The love may not be in the air for you during this time. You will want to fly high and enjoy every bit and moments with your partner, however, you will not get the same response from them which will make you feel restricted. You will get a conservative bond from your partner which will give you a setback and make you feel bored. You may also think of moving on as the existing relationship is not up to your expectations and interests anymore. Students or education. The students may face some complications with their learning. The students may suffer from lack of focus and concentration but will be on the go with their competitive spirits. Health. You should take care of your eating habits and try not to eat outside food or consume liquor. Those who have major diseases should go for regular checkups and keep themselves protected from extreme temperatures. Those who are diabetic need to be cautious and follow a strict diet to avoid any kind of complications. Say no to sugars, sweet fruits and vegetables, and most important, aerated drinks. You should do some mild exercising and yoga to keep yourself fit. Also avoid processed food and try to eat freshly cooked meals as much as possible. Cancer natives, women who are pregnant will require special care. Dates where you need to be careful: 8, 9, 18, 19, 23, 24, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Remedies: offer milk and water to Shivling on every Monday morning. Feed a black-white dog food every Saturday. Donate red gram dal on every Tuesday. Chant the mantras of Lord Ketu and Lord Moon. Donate money or food items to needy people. For the knowledge of the planet's mantras and more information, please visit our website www.astrologyadvices.com. For the astrology consultation, horoscope counseling, horoscope matching and making of the horoscope, you can call us or WhatsApp us. Our mobile numbers are 9870575403 and 8595429185. Wishing you and your whole family very happy festive season. We pray to God that the grace of God remains on you forever. Please like our video. Please share our video with others. You can contact us for astrology counseling, guidance of children education, career guidance, business related problems, health related problems, marriage, love related problems, horoscope matching, Vastu and horoscope matching etc. Monday to Saturday from 10 am to 6 pm. You can call us, WhatsApp and email us. Our mobile numbers are 9870575403 and 8595429185. Email astrologyadvices@gmail.com. Our motive is your success. Thank you. Jaya Shri Krishna.